Hello everyone, here's the latest car we've got into stock. This is a 1999 Stagea, Nissan Stagea. It's a turbo four-wheel drive manual transmission in a bit rarer red. I did make a few of these in red, but not many have survived due to rust or a lot of fading, but this one's actually pretty good. Got some factory aero kit, spoiler on the back, aftermarket muffler that sounds quite nice. As I'm walking around, you can see the paintwork's in quite nice condition, not faded. A couple of scratches. There's a slight chip there on the side skirt. Another little mark that's been touched up there. But for the age of the car, it's what, 24 years old now. It's remarkably good, you'd say. Xenon headlights, and the front bar is in nice condition. Some little bits of paint have come off the grille, and there's a very tiny stone chip there. It's been touched up, but on the whole, when it's driving down the road, it looks really well in red. Nice bright red. Got these headlamp eyebrows on it. It's got twin sunroofs as well, factory, which is also rare. I'll make another video of this car up on the lift, but one of the best things about it is the rust, or lack thereof of rust. Have a look under the bonnet. Most people know cars with this 34 chassis or shell suffer badly with rust in the struts, but this one doesn't have any. You can see that there. Usually this is split open and it's lifting up to some degree. A very bad one, this is all rusty, but this one doesn't have any at all. This side's the same. Very good, very clean. It's got an RB25 Neo engine, the later type RB25. Drives very well, makes plenty of power, sounds right, it's pretty good. An aftermarket air cleaner with traditional Japanese Meccano fitting, but that makes it sound good. The timing belt's been changed in 2022, which is good news. The car's also had a different clutch put in it, a Nismo copper mix clutch. Got a factory strut bar and aftermarket suspension, coilover suspension. But for the age of the car, on the whole, very clean, and rare for a Stagea not to be rusty, especially a four-wheel drive one. Most people who bought these used them in the snow, but this one doesn't look like it's seen any snow. Come round under the back. You can see under here, very minimal. Slight bit of brown there. Little bit there, a little bit across here, but very often that is absolutely rotten, the floor there, and the fuel tank's about to fall off. This one's not that. Got this different exhaust, makes pretty good noise. Four-wheel drive with high cas, it's all pretty good. Just come around and start it up in a minute, but first I'll just show you the interior. It's got the standard interior, quite good nick still. The mat there is decent, it's not worn through or anything. Pedal rubbers look okay. Genuine driver's seat, all looks nice. Steering wheel, slight bit of wear there on the side of it. The handbrake and the gear stick got a little bit of wear on it. It's done over 100,000. It's not out of the way to have that, but yeah, it is there. That door card's good. It seems like a non-smoker's car. There's no burns or anything inside. These seats in the back are quite nice. Got the original stereo and gauges, some aftermarket little speakers on the A-pillars, and a super cat device. You can watch out for police. The rear wiper's been removed. Got a tonneau cover in the back. Got the Stagea floor mat. Toolkit. And Space saver spare wheel. No rust in there either, very good. See in there, quite clean, the carpets, a little bit of a stain on that mat, but otherwise not bad at all. All looks quite good, so I'll start it up, check if everything works. Airbag lights out, no warning lights on. Gauges are working. Quite responsive, it sounds pretty good as well. So we've got the two sunroofs. I think the lock is on there. There's the back one. And the front one. They both work nicely. Clean. Cup holders work. Air conditioning works. It's got quite big aftermarket wheels. They do have some scratches though around the edge. You can see those there. I think these are 18s, are they? 19. 19-inch. Alloy wheels. They look pretty good on this car, make it look kind of tough, and it drives well on them. They're Advan ones. So there we are, this is the latest thing we've got to buy. So if you've got any questions, anyone's interested in this, it is a 99, so if you want to send it to America or Australia under the 25-year rule, you'd have to wait. We can do that, we can store the car, but get in touch with us and ask about all the procedures involved in that. But we can basically ship this car anywhere, Europe, America, Australia, wherever you want to send it. So get in touch, have a look on our website, and you'll see more details, videos and photos on that website. Thank you very much for watching.